Morning all. Yeah. So just yesterday onwards, we started the concepts in this React.js batch. Okay. And to work with the React.js, we should have some basic knowledge on HTML. Okay. And the complete knowledge on JavaScript. Okay. Yes. That's the main thing. Because what is React.js? Nothing but library of JavaScript. So it is providing the more features to work with JavaScript concepts. Okay. It is providing more features to work with JavaScript concept. So that's why we need to start the JavaScript. But before that, we discussed about HTML concepts. Okay. Yes. So in HTML, the main thing we covered, okay, what is that container and non-container. Okay. Next one, inline element and block level element. These points we discussed. Okay. So HTML controls are mainly divided into two types. What's the first type? Container. Second one is non-container. Okay. Yes. Like that we have these two types. Okay. Containers can hold the elements. What the purpose? To hold multiple controls as a group. Can use containers. Example, div, span, paragraph, etc. All this comes under containers. Okay. Yeah. So multiple controls you want to hold as a group, then we are taking the support of containers. Non-containers cannot hold other elements. Yes. Non-containers cannot hold other elements. Okay. Now, example, text box, radio button, etc. All this comes under non-containers. So this is very, very important in HTML point of view, okay, to work with the React.js. Because in every React.js program, we are using the HTML controls. Okay. That's why it is very, very important for us, like what is container, what is non-container. Okay, like okay. Yes. So all containers are okay, pair tags. Pair means open and closing combinations we have. All containers are pair tags. Pair means what is that? It is the combination of open and closing. But non-containers directly we can close like this. Sorry. Yeah. For example, text box, if you take put type is equal to text. Like that, we are using the non-container. Yes. Yeah. So examples I will show you. And desktop remote root.html have given. Okay. Yes. This is demo root.html file. Now in this file, right click, open with the browser. Okay. So just I want to place body open and closing tags. In this body open and closing tags, I want to use mark I am using. Yes. This is mark I. So what is mark I? Yeah, it displays some scrolling content on the web page. It is a container or non-container. That is the main question. Okay, first of all, very fresh displays some text. Spelling mistake is MERQW. Yes, this is what. Okay. In this mark you, okay, I want to apply some properties. Yes. So what are those properties? First of all, here, yeah, direction is equal to text. Towards right direction, it is moving. So if you open some websites like IRCTC, like that, some websites, you can see the market tag. In some websites, you can see the market tag. Okay. Yes. Next one here. Scroll amount is equal to 40. Now refresh. The scrolling speed we are increasing like that. The default value of scroll amount is equal to 8 is the default value. Okay. Now my question is, remove this. I want to use mango.jpc or app orange.jpg is there. That image control I want to display. img source is equal to orange.jpg and width is equal to 50 pixels. Now, if I refresh, then it will display orange. Yes. If I refresh the browser, it displays orange.jpg. My question is, if it is if mark is container, then you will get the orange.jf. If marquee is not a container, then it will display some text like this. Okay. Yes. Because in containers only we can display the other controls. Okay. Now if I refresh, then the image is coming here. Means marquee is container, right? For example, text area. Yeah. This is also open and closing, okay, combination text. Inside this text area, I want to place this. Do you understand? So inside the text area, I have taken that. Now, is text area container or non-container? Okay, that is the main point. So it is paid tag only, combination of open and closing. So if it is container, what the result you are expecting for this line? Image control or same text. If it is container, what the result you are expecting here? Image control or same text. It displays image control. If it is non-container, then same text. Is it clear? Remember this. Containers only can display the other controls. Non-containers cannot display the other controls. That is the main point. Now save this and refresh it. Now it is not displaying the control. Means text area is not container. Is it clear? But that is paid tag. So that's why all paid tags must not be containers. They may be container or non-containers. Is it clear? All paid tags may be containers or non-containers. Okay. Yes, that is the main thing. So if it is container, then HTML controls we can display. If it is non-container, HTML controls, it will not display. So that is the difference here. Okay.
Sir, once you can explain, sir, like I didn't understand.
Again, I will tell you. So a container means container can display other controls. Inside the container, you can place other controls. Okay. So like image, text box, button, everything we can hold as a group, then we are using containers. Okay. Non-container means it will not display any control, simple text. It display the text, that's all. Okay. Now mark you, is it container or non-container? Inside the mark queue, I placed image control, and inside the text area also I placed image control. But mark if you take, it displays image. Text area if you take, it displays this text message. You got it?
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
So mark is container because it displays what? Control it displays, not text. And text area is non-container. Okay, because it displays text. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Right. That is the concept. For example, div tag, if I take here, set the div tag. One text box. One button control. I display like this. Yes. Inside the div tag, I have taken one text box and button control. Okay. Now, div is container or non-container. Yesterday we already discussed about this. If
Container.
anybody missed the yesterday class in YouTube, okay, DURGASOFT YouTube channel, so that class is available. You can go to that. So in yesterday, what is container and what is non-container? These topics I discussed. Okay. Yes. And what is inline element, block level element also I discussed. I will repeat that, no problem. So what is div tag? Div is also one container. Okay. So that's where you can expect controls like yeah, text box, button like that. Is it clear? Div we are using for designing purpose. Okay. So designing point of view to hold the multiple controls as a group. In designing point of view to hold multiple controls as a group, then we are using div tag. Now span tag I am taking here. So type is equal to text. And image I want to place. IMG source is equal to mango.jpc. And width is equal to something like 50 pixels. Now, is span container or non-container?
Container.
Yes, span is also container. So now you can see the result. Yes, it displays like this. This div and span we are using in designing point of view with the multiple controls. Okay, I want to create the login form. So login form contains multiple controls like username text box, password text box, login button like that. Okay, registration form. It also contains the multiple controls. Okay, like yes, yeah. Now in this point of view, we are using div and span to hold the controls. But what the difference between div and span? What the difference between div and span? Already I told you. So just what is the difference?
The div comes on next line and spam it will display side by side.
That is correct. You should say like that. Div is block level element, block element. Span is inline element, right? So here, if you observe this containers, yeah, containers again divided into two types. Containers are again divided into two types. One is block elements or block level. Yes. These elements occupy complete of the screen. Yes. These elements can occupy complete width of the screen. That's the main point. So what is the purpose of this? So actually one form is there. That form we want to occupy the complete screen width. Then we are using block level elements. So if you take div tag is occupying the complete width of the screen. And if you take table, it is occupying the complete width of the screen. Okay. And the next one paragraph, it is complete width of the screen. And inline element, it is not occupying the complete width. Okay. Inline element is not occupying the complete width. Width is up to the content. Yes. If you take inline element, so width is up to the content. Now here, span tag is inline element and anchor tag is inline element. That is the concept. Now, just I will show you those things here. Okay. Now, come to this. Take body. In this body, just I'm taking div with some message. Hi, I'm using some text. Now refresh, it displays. Okay. Yes, it will display hi message. Now, the next thing is here after this div Scott I am printing. The Scott is coming into the new line because it will occupy the complete with the screen. So you want to see just background color I am applying here. Okay. Style is equal to yes background hyphen color yellow I have given. Now you can see this applied the background color yellow. For span also I'm applying the background color. Okay, so here I'm taking span. In this span I'm using here Amit. For this span. Span will come side of the Scott because it is inline and not occupying the complete space. Okay, now here I'm applying style is equal to background color light blue I have given. Now refresh it. So the background color is light blue. Okay. Yes. So this is the difference between div tag and span tag. Div is container and it is block element. Occupy the complete width of the screen. So here a group of elements are there. In one group, login design is there with username, password, and login button. And remember this user ID password, the radio button. In another group, registration design is there. Username, password, email ID, retype password, address like that. These two groups we want to display one by one. Okay. Yes. Then we are using div tag to prepare the groups because div is block element. These two groups you want to display side by side. These two groups you want to display side by side. In that point of we are using span tag. That is the main thing. Is it clear? Yes. So this is about inline and block level elements. Okay. Yes. Now here, this is already we discussed in last class and we revised that. Now we are discussing the remaining controls. Okay. Table. Generally, we are using table. Table is very, very important. So we are working with CRUD operations in React JS. Okay. Means fetching the results from database and display in our browser with the buttons like okay, update, delete these buttons. Okay, in that point of view, we are using this table. So just I'm going to show you table here. Table border I'm applying here. What is table? Table is collection of rows and columns. The columns we are calling as cells. Okay. Yes. Inside this table. So this is one table which we have. Okay. Inside this table, row tr and td. One column. Another td. God. So that's the, yes. I have taken row tr. Inside this tr, I have taken two tds. In one td, I given 100. Another TD I have given Scott like this. Okay. Now see this. Yeah. Here 100 and start. We have like another row. TD 200. Another Hamid. Now we are getting 200. Hamid. Okay. This is table. Okay. So this table is also container or not? Yes, it is container because we hold other elements. So actually here tr is one element, td is one element, and 100 I'm displaying in instead of 100 text box you want to display. Type is equal to text we can use here. Then it also display the text box control line. It is container. But question is it inline element or block level element? Tell me. It is block element because after this table I'm printing A, B, C, D. Yes. Now where A, B, C, D is coming in your, is it clear? Yes. Because the content is less, that's why border is coming up to here, but table is occupied complete without the screen. That's why block level element, that's why that new line is coming here, A, B, C, D. So you want to increase the width is equal to 100%. Yes. Now we can see like that. So here table is occupying, but the content also 100% is width I have given. Table is occupying the complete screen. So that's where the other elements are coming into new line. Content also have given 100% width. Then it is expanded up to that. Is it clear? Yes. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the concept of this. Yes. So hope you understand what is container, what is non-container, what is inline element, and what is block level element. And we are discussing the required elements now. Table we discussed here. Next one, anchor tag I want to display. Okay. I want to place the anchor tag. So anchor tag is also one container. Okay, anchor tag is also one container. Okay, anchor tag we are using mostly to display okay the hyperlinks on the browser. Is it clear? Yes. Now, just I'm using anchor tag. First of all, A is the href is the property here. Hyperlinks we are using to redirect from one page to another page. Okay. Here anchor tag we are using to display the hyperlinks. Okay. Now here just click. Yes. This href, if you observe here, http:// google.com. Yes. We are redirecting to Google website. Now refresh. So when I click on this, it is redirecting to Google website. Now instead of this, click. I want to display image control. Source is equal to orange.jpg and width is equal to something like that. So if it is container means anchor tag. It displays control. Otherwise, previous we got click, right? Like that. So this img as such, everything it displays as on text message. Now save this. Now if I click on this, we are getting Google website. Is it clear? Yes. This is about anchor tag. Is it clear? Yes. This is also very important. Frequently we are using this one. Okay. Next one, some input controls we are working. Yeah. Input controls. So input controls are nothing but here to receive some input data or instructions from user. Okay. Yes. Input. Using this tag, we can get some data or instructions from user. Data means text box if you take. Yes. Text box we are using to get some data. Like that. Button we are using to get some instructions. Okay. Like that we are using the input controls here. Okay. Yeah. So type is the property. Type is an attribute to specify type of what that type. Type is one attribute here. Attribute means nothing but the property. Very clear? Type is one property we are using to specify the type of control. Now here, so all controls I will show you once. Okay, these are regular users controls. Now take the body tag. Yes. So input type is equal to text. Already know we use it many times. It displays the text box control. Yes. Now dir is equal to RTL. So direction I'm applying right to left. Yes. So like that it displays the text box control. Okay, so right to left printing direction I have given. So placeholder, any default text you want to display here. Then we are using placeholder is equal to and the name I have given. Now it displays that is the placeholder. Okay. Anyhow, if you observe this, if this is the text box control which I have taken. Okay. Yes. Next one, button control I want to take. Yes, I want to take the button control. How can we take that button control? Now input type is equal to button. Yes, yes. Now just I'm taking the button control. Now you can see display this button control. So I want to display some default text on this button control. I want to display some default text. Then we are using value is equal to click. Now refresh it. We are getting the text. Click on the button control. Yes. This is about type is equal to button. Is this clear? Next one. radio button I want to display. So password control, first of all, we are working with that login and registration forms in React.js. Input type is equal to password. Displays the password control here. So what the text I'm typing here, the text is displaying like this. Yes. This is password control. Okay. Yes. Next, input type is equal to radio. So we are displaying that radio button. Yes. So some text I am displaying here. Mail. Now if I refresh here, this is mail text which we have. Is it clear? With the radio button. So what the text we are displaying here? Mail is the text. Displays like this. Next one more radio button. Text is female. Okay. Yes. Now refresh. You can see this is male. Male we can select. Female also it is selecting because these two are individual controls. Okay. These two controls are individual control. That's why male and female both are selecting here. Yes. Yeah. Now you want to apply only one selection. You want to apply only one selection. Then we need to group these two controls. So how can I group? Yeah, by providing same name property. Okay, if you apply same name to the multiple radio buttons, then user can select only one among those multiple buttons. Now name is equal to reddy1 I have given. Here also name is equal to reddy1. And this is name property reddy1 I have given. Now save this and refresh. So this is male and this is female. Only one selection is there because I have given same name property. Here reddy1, here also reddy1 I have given like this. Is it clear? Yes. This is about radio button. Next checkbox. Input type is equal to checkbox I have given. Now it displays the checkbox control like this. User can check and uncheck the checkbox. And we are using file upload control also. Type visual file because in React to work with uploading concept, then it is required. Now this is file upload control. User can choose one file here. Okay. So like this. Now if you observe here, it is upload. Is this clear? Yes. This is one file upload control. Input type is equal to file I have taken here. Okay. Yes. Next one, drop down list dialog box. Okay. So this is also common control which we are using. How can we display the drop down list dialog box? Select is the tag to display that. Yes, this is select tag. Inside this select, we are using options. Okay, just React I have given. Now refresh. See, we're getting React as one drop. Next option, Angular. Now refresh. We're getting that Angular. Yes, like that we can display the drop down list dialog box here. Okay, options are React is one option, Angular is another option, like that we have. So these are the common controls which we require to work with our React programming. So every day we are working with these controls. Yes. Hope you understand this concept in HTML point of view. This is more enough for us. Okay. Mainly if you know what is container, what is non-container, and what is inline element, blockline element. That is the main thing here. Okay. Yes. So then you can design any type of form here. Okay. That is the point. Clear? Any doubts, any questions you have? In this concept, we have any doubts, any queries? No, no. Okay, fine. Now we need to start the concepts of JavaScript. Okay. So what is JavaScript and how to work with the JavaScript? That is the main thing. So because to work with this React JS, okay, JavaScript concepts are very, very important. So that's why we are discussing the JavaScript concepts. So in JavaScript point of view, complete concepts we need to discuss, not basic things. Okay. Complete JavaScript concepts we need to discuss. Yes. Yeah. So here JavaScript is so open source client side script. Yeah, it is very popular client side script. Okay. So actually JavaScript is it belongs to Netscape Corporation. 1995 JavaScript is released and it belongs to Netscape Corporation. Okay. Yes. Now this JavaScript, if you take original name of JavaScript is LiveScript. It is not JavaScript. Original name is LiveScript. Later they converted it as JavaScript. That is the main thing here. Yes. What is the original name of JavaScript? LiveScript. Okay. Yeah. Later they converted it as JavaScript because when the Sun Microsystem adopted this, okay, and they started using this live script in JavaScript code, then it is converted into JavaScript. Okay. Yes. Now React is a library of JavaScript and React packages are implemented using JavaScript. What is React? React is nothing but the library of JavaScript. Okay. The React packages are implemented using JavaScript. So that is the concept of this. Okay, the packages of React.js are implemented using JavaScript. Now here, what are the points we are discussing with JavaScript? Those are all common to React.js. Okay, like in case sensitive point of view and the data types point of view, like that, we are discussing some points. Okay, those are all common to React.js. Okay. Yes, those points I will start from next class onwards. Okay. Yes. So as I told you, initial demo classes, we are spending 50 days, oh, sorry, 50 minutes. Okay. Yes. And the link will change soon. That's why you want to continue, better you should fulfill with the fee structure, everything. So just contact the management. Maybe by end of this week, okay, the link will be changed. Okay, yes. So today, what the topic I discussed, I will paste in the chat window, just like yesterday topic. 1 second. So once the link change, then I will give you the Google Drive access. Yes, check it out. I sent you one file. So download this file and do practice. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, we are starting the JavaScript classes. After JavaScript, we will start React JS. Okay. Yes. Hope you understand this concept. See you in tomorrow class. You can drop now.